This is a Bricks Builder UI. I will divide it into three main areas. Elements panel on the left, canvas in the middle, and structure panel on the right side. So in the left hand panel, as you can see, there are a lot of extremely useful elements to create any layout. You can also search to filter the list of elements. You can resize the element panel. You can also hide this panel by clicking on this little arrow in the middle. Here is a canvas where we can interact with the page in real time. You can see different elements, you can move them around, and you can edit the content right on the page. When you will click on any element, its option will appear on the left side in the content tab. There is also a style tab. The style panel gives us immediate access to all our CSS, where we can manipulate our CSS values visually, like margin and padding, sizing, position, typography, and background color, etc. On the right side, all the stuff you have added to a canvas will show in the structure panel. You can right click, copy, duplicate, and delete something easily from here. You can also move element from one place to another. By clicking on this icon, you can turn this panel on and off if you need more room to work with. In the structure panel, there is a copy option to copy all the elements and paste it in the another page. Here is a paste option for this copy option. Delete button to delete all the elements from the structure panel, and expand and collapse the structure tree. Okay, let's move to a top toolbar. By default, the link of Bricks logo is set to preview. If you want to change the link of this logo, you can change it from the setting. This icon is for pseudo classes where you can add hour state, active state, etc. Next is a help icon. Here you can find different useful articles of Bricks Academy related to WooCommerce, templates, basic, controls, filter, etc. You can also type here to search any document. In the bottom is a keyboard shortcut list which will help to speed up your process. Pages. Here you will see the list of all of your pages. From here you can open any page without going to WordPress dashboard. You can click on this plus icon to create a new draft pages here, which will save a lot of your time. History and revisions. History is the history of changes you have made in the session. Revision is a snapshot of every time you have saved your changes across multiple sessions. And setting is for two kinds of settings. There is a theme style and page settings. In theme style, you can set the default brand styles for the entire site. Page settings are the settings for this individual page we are working on right now. And this plus icon will open the elements panel anytime you want. In the middle is a breakpoints option for desktop, tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait. And these settings are related to the canvas size. And here is the undo and redo icon. Structure panel to on off structure panel. Templates. Here you will see templates created by Bricks team, and all the templates you will create header, footer, archive pages, etc. Publish icon. You can publish your draft page immediately. After publishing, that icon will disappear. Edit in WordPress will jump out from the Bricks editor to a WordPress area. Preview mode to see the preview of this page. View on front end. It will open the live page on the front end of the website. You can click on this icon again, come back to the Bricks editor. And finally, the save button. I hope you are now familiar with the Bricks Builder UI. That's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video.